Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational story. The story I brought for you today is about Praful Billor, an entrepreneur who, after failing in his CAPT exams, decided to become an entrepreneur and at the end of 2020 had a turnover of over 3 crores. Amazing? I'll be sharing more details about him shortly. But before that, could I request you to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you get an update on every new video which I bring for you. And also share the video with your friends and family so that they too join our channel. Coming back to our story, Praful Billor, the founder of MBA Chaiwala. He was born on 14 January 1996 at Dhar, Indore, Madhya Pradesh in India. After strenuous trials and efforts of over 3 years, he failed to crack the CAT exam for MBA entrance. Praful decided that he will turn this failure into a stepping stone for success and decided to become an entrepreneur and sell tea. The 25-year-old is now a crorepati, having outlets in 22 locations across the country. His outlets are called as MBA Chaiwala. He finished 2020 with a turnover in excess of 3 crores. When he failed to crack the CAT exam, he decided to travel to Bangalore and other major cities, and there, inspired by other people who were earning and learning, he decided to join McDonald. At McDonald, he quit after a few days as he had decided that he wanted to become an entrepreneur. He started by selling tea outside his dream college, IMM Ahmedabad, by borrowing 8,000 rupees from his father. Shortly thereafter, he borrowed another 50,000 rupees from his friends and family and decided to do his MBA, but quit after 10 days and decided that he preferred the life of an entrepreneur. His cart tea stall outside IMM Ahmedabad was demolished by the local officials and he set up shop called as MBA Chaiwala in a tiny area outside an hospital. His original name for the shop was Mr. Billor Ahmedabad because he liked that name, but seeing the mispronunciation of his name, he decided to change it to MBA, his ideal degree, and his entrepreneurship, a chai shop, so he named it MBA Chaiwala. His strategy at the very beginning was to impress his customers outside IMM Ahmedabad area, students of IMM Ahmedabad and employees of IMM Ahmedabad by speaking in English. People started coming there to speak to him in English. And second, he also set up a board where people who were looking for jobs could write their details on the board with their phone numbers, and employees who came there could give them a call and get employees readily. This was a winning strategy, and thereafter he continued with this. He started holding multiple events, like, for example, on Valentine Day for singles, he would host free singles chai. Then he had poetry and kavita nights called as Mehfil e Kavita. He also supported the underprivileged, supported cancer patients, did fundraising, and also worked with the governments on multiple political issues. He says, whatever you do it with full honesty and hard work, and success is sure to follow. If you are a shoemaker, be the best shoemaker. If you are selling tea, be the best at it. Whatever you do your best. He recently released a book, All You Need Is Josh. Praful Billor, a failed cat aspirant who became a crorepati thanks to his entrepreneurship spirit. Name of his business, MBA Chaiwala. Praful will continue to inspire multiple youth today to take the next steps towards entrepreneurship. Friends, I'm sure you enjoyed these inspirational stories which I bring for you on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I request you once again kindly subscribe to the channel, like our videos, press the bell icon so you have an update on every new video which we bring for you, and also share the videos with your friends and family so that they too join our journey. I started this channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, in May 2020, and today we have got about 630 subscribers and 18,000 viewing hours. Our mission is to share with you inspirational stories of mankind at their very best, living by the eternal human principles, so that you too are inspired to live by these eternal human principles, which are the only short way to success. I will be back soon with another very inspirational video for you on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best.